Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. Friends, today also in this video I again came with a product review. So yeah friends, the product is Humidifier. So let me unbox and tell you how the product is. So there are three different colors. I have chosen green color. Let me open and see. In South Africa, winter is kicking very hard. Since you are using a heater, then you must and should buy the humidifier to keep your skin moisturized. So yeah, I bought one for my room. Let me see how it works. And here is my product with the USB cable, and I have a instruction manual. So here is the manual. You will get with the different languages. You get with the Portugal, Chinese, and also in English. You can read the manual. So guys, this product is manufactured in China, and guys, the product material is of ABS and electronic components, where the current is of 500 mA, power of 3 watt. This is a double spray humidifier. It also comes with a wick filter. Coming to the outer look, it is very stylish. It can fit about 350 ml of water, and I'm reviewing this after usage of almost 1 month, and I literally like the stylish part. The nozzle and the body is well designed. It comes with a C-type USB cable and works with a USB. In this video I also show you the demo also how it works, and I gonna tell you my experience. Apart from this, I also bought some essential oil. There are different flavors of essential oil, maybe 12 flavors. Yeah, and it is very tiny. I just want to check the flavors, how the fragrance is. So I bought this one along with this humidifier. You can see there is a different flavors. So guys, I got this product from Temu, and if you wish to buy this product, the product links will be on my description. You can go and check it out once. And I got this product for 190 rands, and also different price for essential oil. I paid around 69 rands for essential oil, and this is very tiny. It's very little ml. I just want to check with my humidifier. I just want to check with the flavors how it is. What you can do is you can apply just a few drops of essential oil to your humidifier liquid. So then you can on it, then you can feel the flavor. This humidifier is best suitable for room. I bought this especially for the room. So let us see how it works. So it has two cotton swab, guys. First you need to rinse it well with the water when you are using for the first time. I kept it for almost 3 to 5 minutes, and after that I'm fitting it to the humidifier head. So now I just fill some water to the tank, maybe off or 1/4 is also fine, and just connect to my USB cable. It has two lights, one is light and one is night light, which is of blue color. So I'm gonna just press the button and you can see the humidifier is on now. For night you can use this blue color. Both the nozzles are working fine. And moving forward, now the humidifier works very well. You can short press the switch and you can change the humidifier according to your convenience. So guys, coming to my experience, this product is very good. It's working fine till now. I think this is the reasonable and best purchase for my room. And yeah guys, if you wish to buy this product, the product links will be on my description. If you have any queries, you can comment me. Thank you so much.